Hi guys, welcome back to Do It with Diana. So today we are going to go ahead and be doing some DIY pillows. Actually, I'm using washcloths that I found at Target in their dollar spot and turning them into pillows because some of the pillows that they had on there were completely out and I really wanted some. So I'm like, why not make a dishcloth a hardy pillow? So I hope you guys go ahead and enjoy this. I am going to go ahead and doing a little voiceover with some music so that you guys can just chill, or if you guys want to go ahead and get some supplies, I will go ahead and leave them down below. Thankfully, the stuffing that I will be using for the pillows I actually got from my mom because they went ahead and got rid of their old couch. So what she decided to do was cut the couch up and keep the stuffing for it in case like something like this came up, or like if she needed to fluff all our other pillows. But yeah, I hope you guys go ahead and enjoy this video. This one came in a pack of 2 and they were, I believe, $3 from there, but this was the set that came with this one, and then this one was just an extra one that I had left over. I went ahead and got some stuffing from my mom's couch that she doesn't have anymore because they went ahead and got a new couch. As well, you will go ahead and be needing thread and another option with fabric glue. We just had this one lying around, and then I went ahead and got 2 needles. So I got this straight needle right here, and then I got this curvy needle. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to go ahead and do this. So I'm going to be making 3 different pillows. The first pillow is going to be this, and I folded basically the dish towel. Since it's this long, I folded it in half, and since this side is already put together, I'm just going to go ahead and put this together and then right here and then connect it at the end. Same is going to go for this towel. As you can see, it does have the little embellishments right here, and I'm just going to again fold it in half so that it has the little tassels at the bottom of it. And then last is going to be this one. This is actually the one that I'm going to try with fabric glue, and the other 2 I'm going to sew. With the fabric glue, just follow the instructions as it says. Since there is already a fold here in the dish towel, I'm just going to go ahead and press this glue right down the middle. And this glue is actually a little bit dry, so if this doesn't work out for me, I'm just going to go ahead and use, yeah, it doesn't look like it's coming out. So I'm going to go ahead and use Craft Bond glue with the little tip. I went ahead and got this actually at the dollar store. It comes in a pack of 3 or 4 for $1, and use this along the middle side right here, along the same line where the fold is. And I'm hoping that it goes ahead and stays together. I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half, make sure the ends all match. Just going to go ahead and lift this part and start gluing along this side as well. And with this craft glue, I believe it is probably the fastest way to go ahead and get this completed and get it to stick. And I am adding extra and additional lines of glue, that way it goes ahead and sticks. And then I'm putting also another line along the other end. Wow, I can't even talk today. And then just wipe that off right there. I'm going to put these sides together as well. So I am holding both of these sides right here. And if you feel it that it's like going through, it's actually not going through. It just feels really squishy from the glue. And then I'm going to flip it. While this side dries, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this side. And put this craft glue right here. And I recently discovered that the Dollar Tree, or actually I got this at the dollar store, the 99-cent store, they had this craft glue, but I've used it like a couple of times and so far it hasn't let me down. So if you want 3 or 4 of these Craft Bond things for $1, dollar store or the 99-cent store is the place to go. Okay, so while this is drying right here, I'm going to go ahead and let this dry for a little bit, and then on the end right here that is still open, I'm going to go ahead and close it up a little bit on this side, and then just leave a small opening so that I can go ahead and stuff the stuffing into it. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this glue again and squeeze it on. Ooh, it looks like it's running out, but I mean, at least it comes in a pack of 4, so if I run out, I have 3 more to use. Okay, so This side is glued, and I'm just gonna glue the little corner right here real quick. All right, so while this goes ahead and dries down, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the other ones. And the other ones are gonna take me a little bit longer just because I do have to go ahead and hand sew them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try it out with this straight needle first. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this color, which relatively matches this. I should have gotten a green one actually, since the accents on this one are green, but oh well. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one for now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and thread it. Finished sewing along all these sides. Go ahead and leave this little opening so that I can go ahead and stuff the stuffing in there, and I just put the needle back in here so when I am done I can just finish with the needle as well. I realized that sewing this takes such a long time. It took me at least 15 minutes, and I am not the best sewer. I don't know if you guys can see it with the camera, but my stitches are way off and super curvy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this one. I believe this one's already dry. I'm gonna go ahead and glue this one, and then stuff, and then finally stuff this one while this dries as I'm stuffing these two. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and put it along the edges here. And I love this little furly situation that it has going right here. The little tassels. I love little tassels. It just gives it that little extra detail. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it along here, and then run my finger through it, and then run my finger through this side to make sure it all sticks together. And now that this is all partially glued, I'm going to go ahead and just leave that opening while this dries. And glue this side. Again, leave that opening, that way you can go ahead and stuff it. And if you see glue falling out like this, it's fine. Just run it along the edges, and that way it'll go ahead and give it a more secure stick. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuffing that I have here. And you just want to get like small pieces like this and stuff it in the pillow. This one's all ready. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff the other two, and I'll be back with the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed that a little bit. So this is the end result. This one is probably my favorite. It says Our Nest, and this one is the one that I sewed along the edges. Here's the buffalo check one. Again, buffalo check is not my favorite, but it goes well with like the other two pillows. And as you can see, I still have the push pins in there because the glue is still drying. So I have the push pins in there. And then lastly is this one, my second favorite, which is the one with the little tassels at the end of it, and it's super cute. And again, I still do have the push pins in there because I'm waiting for the glue to dry and I don't want it to go ahead and separate. So yeah, these are my pillows that I went ahead and made from Dish Washcloths. As well, I'm not exactly sure if Target still is carrying these specific washcloths, but I do know that they have their Christmas washcloths out now. So if you guys want to make some like DIY pillows or anything like that, feel free to go ahead and check the dollar spot out. I know they also have the dollar spot called Bullseye Playground online at target.com in case you guys want to go ahead and order it online. Also, this video isn't sponsored by Target. I wish it was sponsored by Target. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you really liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Feel free to share this with your friends or with your grandma or your mom or the crafty person in your life, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think. As well, if you go ahead and subscribe and hit that little notification bell, also leave me a comment so that I can go ahead and shout you out in my next video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Thank you so much.